Going to the other farm.
Ew, there's so many poop. Ew.
One of my favorite fruit ay yung fig. Ito yung fig. Pumunta kami doon sa kabilang farm kaso so ayan. Ito yung peach dito.
My name is
Beatrice.
Today we're
going
to the mountain.
Let's get started. Punta tayo sa bundok. Mangusan. Pumunta po ako na rin ko. Hindi po ako nagko-commute. Nakataksi po ako. Pero kahit nakataksi, may ano ako.
And there's Titi! I climb up there to say bye to... Aww. I pressed the Diki.
Yeah? What are you doing there?
I pressed Diki, Owie.
Yung dog. Oh, Diki. Where is the dog?
What's to go with us?
Let's go.
Boy! Hello!
Beatrice. You have the microphone, Beatrice. Apple plantation dito.
Look at the apples right over here. Yeah. I'm right here in the corner. Ew, there's so many poop. Ew.
Doon, kahaba.
This is the wrong one. Middle. I choose middle.
Ay nga ni Bea.
This side.
Makita nyo dito sa lugar namin, puro...
Olives.
Yan.
Olive trees. Look at that. I can kind of see Castanera over there.
Castanera. Oh, nandun yung bahay namin. Doon sa kabilang bundok. Let's check berries, baby. There's a lot of berries here. Actually, papunta to sa kabilang Manila. Oh, look. So many. Oh, Lolo, help me. Oh, uy. It's okay. Oh. Uy, so many, oh.
I can see the berries, Mama.
You pick up, Beatrice. There in the side. There are so many there. Sige na. Wild lang yan dito.
I can see it. Mama, right here. Over here.
Try, ha?
Where's this one?
Uy, ang tamis. Baby, it's so sweet.
Ow, shower. Ow. These plants look suck.
So sweet.
No.
Baby, it's so sweet. Hmm? You try. Don't step on it. Grabe, ang tamis. So sweet, baby, no? Sobrang dami, kaso lang, tingnan mo naman. Paano namin makukuha yan?
These are the best berries.
Nice, baby, no? Very sweet. Very sweet, actually. Very nice. Kaso lang, hindi ko naman maabot yan. Dito. Hanggang dito yun, no? Oh. Hanggang doon. 12. 12. Going to the other farm.
Going to the
Yeah.
forest.
Yeah, Lolo is picking up fig. Ito po yung kabilang farm nila dito.
This is a forest.
Yeah. Ito yung fig. Pumunta kami doon sa kabilang farm kaso ito hindi natin pwede pick upin dahil naglagay sila ng poison. And this is also the what do you call this? The peach. Pero hindi din pwede mag-pick up. So ayan. Ito yung peach dito. Yun, nahuhulog mga peach. Ayan, uwi na tayo. Diyos ko, God, that was the adventure, Papa. Beatrice, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ay, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Because this has a spike too. The flowers that Lolo gave me. They explained something to me, but I don't know what is that. I will show you later. We have berries and then a bit of fig.
And it's so sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet. Actually. So very sweet. So sweet. The berries are so sweet. So many there, but we cannot do nothing about it because it's too far and it's a lot of tinik-tinik. What is that? Seca. Seca in Portuguese. Tinik-tinik in Tagalog. What is that in English? It's full of thorns there. My legs got scratch. And Beatrice, at least Beatrice is wearing pants, and then Lolo was wearing slipper. That's why he has difficulty in reaching the fig there, the fig tree. Oh. But Lolo was so eager to pick a fig.
Two women.
So eager to pick a fig, you really go there. Sinamahan po kami ng aming papa na aking asawa doon. Yun. Kasi hindi nga pwede kaming maglakad-lakad na kami lang ni Beatrice. So, ganyan. Masaya, baby, no? You having fun there, no? Umitim si Bea. She got black. She got burnt skin. Masaya na. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung ating nakuha na berries. Tapos yung hindi pa natin pwede what is harvest in Tagalog? I don't know what is harvest. In Tagalog, in Portuguese. Yun, hindi pa pwede kasi nga naglagay sila ng what is poison in Tagalog? Diyos ko, God, help me.
Veneno.
Translator ka dito. Ayan. So, yun. Hindi namin pwede. Sunod na daw. Next week. Sabi ni Lola. Okay, next week. That's our video for today. Ito yung nakuha natin. Yan. Na-harvest natin doon sa wilderness. Diba? Sobrang daming tinik. Just hindi pala ganun kabilis, kadali. Binigay sa akin ng mother ko ang konting fig. Ayun, pakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan. Na-lowbat ako doon. Hindi ko na-expect na yung battery pala ng camera ay almost exhausted na. So yun, pagdating namin doon, wala akong masyadong video. Lalo na pagpunta namin sa kabilang pamilya. So yan, sobrang daming ganap. Ito po siya. Masarap. One of my favorite fruit ay yung fig. Nagluluto muna ako. Alas 12 na pala. Natagalan kami doon sa paglalakad. Diyos ko, God. Pero enjoy naman si Bea. Sarap. Sarap nito. So, ayun. Ayun ang kaganapan natin for today. That's for our video for today. Thank you for watching. Until next time.